Hello all. In this tutorial, I'll explain how to use this series of tutorials. So, in this tutorial series, we are focusing the audience who are new to software automation, especially from Java with Selenium and TestNG. Um, so the purpose of this tutorial is to set expectations, set as expectations to Java and reduce the fear and motivate self-study. Um, so this course is practical first course. So you do not need to memorize Java, and these short videos will cover basic theory. So when Selenium TestNG with Java, so it's very easy for you to understand the basics of Java.